Fa Dreams Media timakunyadirani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika mdziko muno.
Tinayamba nkhani kuti ya Muthalika sanapezeke ku launch komanso panjamba anali mkalimoto.
Fitness ya atsogoleri, it's an issue. Nani naso kale pa. It's an, and I want him to understand. Kuti asatseke pakamwa anthu chifona kuti ali ni platform uyona kuzokatira nkula umatani ndiye kuti ife tisanene. He wants to be president of this country. Therefore, he must be subjected to scrutiny. And his major weakness, among the many weaknesses, is that he is not fit. What happened on Saturday? Because he's not fit. He's old. In the morning, he couldn't go to Mount Sochi to launch the manifesto because he was still resting. And nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't do that. You let him or her sleep, rest. 10 o'clock, mwapasati, mwapasajagulia, asamba, mwapasajagulia, akarapa konde, agona pa kuta, tumatiani Korogona, basajija zinkane mele. Poko, ana inu, ifeti matele, iwe upanga zwala kwa, bas, nimena makari agogo. Simazu sama maudi, azika kukirechitu azika pangalonji ma manifesto, kabena azibita kumunda, kabena azibita kuofesi, kabena azibita kutukutukosi. Sisi mateka. So that's why he didn't go, he's not fit. Later on, anabera bansokano, it's possible. So Zorna Gudi was a security issue, Nanabera if it was a security issue. One other thing that I need to say is and what DB, as a morning at Malawi, than Hobusa. Ali free Ugamba, Jesus Ugamba, Komazale Megeza Malawi. Azale Megeza. Akozona Gudi, and I wouldn't know life at the Beji Peter to go for the Reme or Rakauri, Aliba stretcher. If you go for the Reme, that's fine. That's what they want. But what about the majority? If I'm not saying nobody's going to vote for them, Peter Drake. Other people are going to vote for him. But it's not right. Because the Mutuyo, Tikumubedeka, sign out Kara, Kuti, as you get to Zolimba. Now, we are a member commenters. Peter Muthalika, although he's odd, he was very articulate. And an uncle has been been. I was laughing. Because if you now go to Muzama Kayadi, if there's something that doesn't get weak in Bagama, agogo uri mucheze nawo akulangwana the whole day kana kwakagona akupasa ndimarangiso akutani akuta it doesn't mean uri magogo salankula kapena samava but yowacha ndagogo. That's why he can't hear. Not that the one it's true, he can't hear, he can't walk. That's why he was unable to disembark Galimoto kurabite patsanja yo manga. It's because he's old, he didn't feel like doing it. Oseaja pamene paja amoneka kuti sali comfortable. I mean, only not how comfortable. I hope something going to happen. Maybe he's going to fall down. Maybe he's going to say, I'm tired. I want to sit down. And that is an embarrassment to the electorate. Because the electorate is like fulfilling what I'm saying. Ingabira manifesto. Substantive issues manifesto. That manifesto is not original. What DP has done is simply manifesto MCP. Kuipanga musika ya follow kada musifa hivi nkubereka watu. I'll give you an example. Zika makanza za zona. So zabo zona. Kani yomangira manyumba civil servants. We know the MCP has been building manyumba ama security organizations. The army, MDF, police, prison. I think even immigration, right?
Yes.
Even immigration. What does the DB say? How do we counter this? Timanga manyumba ama civil servant source. Is that really possible? Humanga nyumba ama civil servant source. Do you know how many people mu civil service? Yo aja nyumba DB adamangira nyumba ndani. Sazi omanga nyumba. What they did is simply buy the houses that Kamuzu built. Including Peter Muthalika himself, bought a cheap house. He bought a house that was built by former governments. Them as DPP have never built anything in this country. All they did is just to come back and ransack everything that was built. Today, as I'm saying, if I did manga nyumba ziti, zona manga nyumba massive service alibangati, alikuti, ama karaguti. And who told them good civil service amangirido manyumba? Agana ukabara different to manyumba opposite. Maybe it makes sense. Apart from security, if it is all opposite. kaya another profession kaya ogera ntchito kuchipatala tizakumanga manyumba 400 ogera ntchito kuchipatala zikanaveka. Why? They want to do better apange adutse MCP, which is laughable. It's fantasy. Anazambiri zoru ukamaziona zoti za fantasy zenizeni. The tragedy is that the ADBP aganzira Malawi ndi anthu opusa kuti iwo angapange feature candidate yo sali fiti foti adakula ndi okalamba ali matenda ambirimbiri wa ukalamba munthu ndeti thupi la gonja mafupa saugwira bwino nthawi zinasolo mmutumu sukumbukira zinthu nthawi zinawo kuti apa msana uwawa nyamakazi chani you slow down. That's why nkhalamba sizigwiritsa ntchito timapanga take over ana kusamala nkhalamba. ADBP thinks kuti katene kuti Peter Muthalika thinks kuti Malawi ndi opusa kuti iye akuzima kukhala ku nyumba because ndi okalamba, not a fault of his basi thayata. Then Amalawi adzangodzuka pa 16 September basi boom tasanga Peter Muthalika kuti ndiye president. Why? Because he has the name of Muthalika and so he has proven leadership. Sizikhala choncho. Muthalika is not fit. Ndipo Amalawi, let's be serious. I mean, ngati Muthalika aupanga front anthu ena to do campaign kuna wina angapanga front. Actually what he's doing, he's just showing how things can be if he can be elected. What it means that actually azachitoonjeza tsopano kuti ndasankhidwa ndiye panopa adzadisesa ndi anthu enawo. But the question is, anthu enawo asanapite pa ballot ngati president fire. Why they not on ballot as presidential candidate? Ngati afuna president. And as the Malawians, we will not really hold them accountable. The other person kufuna while he's sleeping because of old age. Is that what Malawians? The fact that we play campaign, what makes us think kuti uza gira president? Chino president is very hectic. For example, Perere azgaendera Galimoto, like he did Banjamba, kuti basu khala Galimoto. He's supposed to he's supposed to stay long day, for example 6 July. President the whole day will stay. President. There's going to be a change. Agarandira my diplomats ku State House. Kukhala zolongo sok sanga kapanga speneso. Ndiri azikapanga delegate. Just like he's delegating. Anakanika even upira ukapanga launch manifesto yawo ku Mount Sochi. My point is, if he's doing these things now, as a candidate, what it means that government will also be run by those people. Now, should we send Muthalika to State House because probably there is a better bed in State House than his own in Kumangochi? That we should just be looking after him without him working. Because essentially, what it means is that with our taxes, when he's not paying back, you have got to offer a service. I've got to offer a service of Director General. In return, MBC pays me a salary every month without fail. It's not a free salary. I'm supposed to work. So what about a president? Amalawi, let's be serious. I would prove leadership. Which prove leadership as the Muthalika display in this country? That they can show it's proof leadership. He has not given us any planning. He has not promised anything. He just said proof leadership. When did you provide proof leadership? The Muthalikas, including Bingwa Muthalika and Peter Muthalika, have just taken from this country without giving back. And this I can say, Masomu Gwa, Bingwa Muthalika, Ause Mutendere, and his brother, the one that is a candidate, DBB, they have taken more from this country than they have given. This Peter Muthalika, we know he was abroad. He was not paying tax in this country. He was abroad for many years. He only came here zitagoma za chimwene. Anangobwera zangodya without investing anything. Today he wants kuti akale president. His old age, we should be the ones looking after. He's not going to look after him as former president, but he wants the bed like State House. Now, as Malawians, are we serious? And the few times that it comes out, Zoipa, the tribalism, regionalism, the DPP is gaining currency. I heard Jenny saying it also. I think it was kuti tizabwezera chadi ya southern region resources vezabwera kulongwe zizabwera ku Blantyre. So what should people awulilongwe think kuti DPP kabwera izanda zonse zawulilongwe zabwera can they go to longwe and campaign because ngakawulile mthokulu kangafusa ati nilifusa ino mwe ngambe mfuna mavoti atu but you have said you are going to damage lilongwe muzarenga resources zabwera ku Blantyre. When Lilongwe is headquarters, Lilongwe is the capital city. So why do you want our votes? Your aim is to damage Lilongwe. Central region. Your aim is to damage the Central region. That's regionalism. That's tribalism. Typical of this old man. That's how they ruled themselves. It was regional, regionalism, and they're saying it without shame. Because that's what they're going to do. It's the capital city.
Quota system.
It's quota system. It's the same thing. Some quota systems. So the question is, should we really give power to such a group and elect him to the campaign? He has promised nothing. Have we heard? Has he promised anything in this country? They are strong on economy. Have they promised anything on the economy? Nothing. There's no plan. There was nothing. They are sleeping. While somebody is busy touring the whole northern region, he wasn't gone. And they think Malawians are going to reward the Ogona. Unless Malawians are mad. We're going to see the people.
Zina langa ndine George Kasagula, ndipo ndine Director General wa Malawi Broadcasting Corporation. Ndabwera pano kudzafuna kupepesa President dziko lino, Professor Arthur Peter Muthalika, pa zonse zimene ndimalankhula nthawi ya kampeni yowa nena yowo. Ndifuna ndapepese pamodzi ndi First Lady ndi ena onse amene ali nawo amakhala nawo ka kuchipani cha DPP ndena onse ndifuna ndapepese kuchokera pansi pa mtima wanga.
Tikuyamikeni komanso kukuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera komanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati muli alendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndi ife tidzayendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.